Now, most of you should be familiar with a simple thumb knot, which is where you come around to form a crossing loop and then go back inside the crossing loop to just form a knot in the rope. That's a kind of dead easy one, and in knotting things we'll call that a stopper knot, because you can stop it going through a loop, or whatever, a stopping knot, right? Then if you need something that's got a bit more bulk to it, you can obviously tie multiple thumb knots on top of each other, but another good way to do it is by tying what's called a figure of 8 knot. You'll see why it's called a figure of 8 in a minute, but what it is effectively is you're tying a thumb knot but putting an extra turn in it, so it'll make it a bit more bulky than just a standard knot. So you start off by making a crossing loop, and as if you were going to go, this is the one that's on top, this is the one that's on bottom, so as if you were going to go and tie a normal thumb knot, in which case you would go through there. But instead of going through there, what we're going to do is go across the top of the crossing loop, and then we're going to go around and through the back there, right? So got our crossing loop, going over the top. Instead of going through, we're going over the top, and then we are coming around the back there, and we're going to pull that. And if you can see that shape there, you can see why it's called a figure of 8, right? And when it's pulled tight, you can see it's got more length and more bulk than the stopper knot. So if I just tie a quick stopper knot behind it, then you might be able to see the difference. So you've got, so there are two, so there is a simple thumb knot, and there is our figure of 8 knot. So a bit more length and a bit more bulk to it. So it's a stopper knot that's just got a bit more to it, right? So figure of 8.